Zoom, इसको देखो. Zoom, इसको देखो.
Please meet the beautiful Deepika.
Thank you.
Chandni Chowk to China एकदम नया concept है Indian cinema में. You know, it's like an Indo-Chinese crossover film.
True.
Yeah. So, I mean, do you agree with that? Would you?
First of all, I wouldn't like to believe that Chandni Chowk to China is a crossover film. I think several attempts have been made by Indians or by foreigners to make so-called crossover films, but somewhere I don't think we've been able to reach or target the kind of audience that we want. I'd like to believe that Chandni Chowk to China is an international film. It's an Indian international film. Yes, the medium is Hindi, but we've also made sure that the film looks like an international film, and we have subtitles and in English and in Chinese, and so that people all over the world understand the cinema that we're making. And I think we've got Warner Brothers, which has played a huge part in making this an international project. And the fact that Nikhil has the sensibilities of taking Indian cinema to that level.
They think that is one of the only things, Great Wall of China, which can be seen from outer space.
True.
So, were you noticed by aliens and stuff?
I'm sure we look like aliens to the aliens, because our look in the film is very exciting and something extremely new, something that's not been done before. I'm sure you've seen the promos, and there's my Indian look, and then there's the Chinese look, which we took quite long to crack, because trying to make an Indian girl, a South Indian girl like me who has big eyes, trying to make me look Chinese with slender eyes was a task. But after several look tests, we managed to get the look right. And so I hope the aliens watch the film as well.
But you had to put sellotape on your eyes and Chinese लगने के लिए, और डॉक्टर ने आपको बोला था नहीं करने को.
जी हाँ, that was actually an initial requirement. We were wondering how to get my eyes stretched out. But I don't think I would have survived that, because for 8 hours or 12 hours a day when you're shooting, to have tapes to stretch your eyes out, and the tape actually goes behind your head, so it's actually stretching your eyes out completely. And I wasn't too sure about that myself. And then when I went and checked with the doctor, he said that's definitely something I shouldn't be doing. But fortunately, we got Malika Bhatt, who's done my my makeup in the entire film. And I'm glad that she got this technique of eyeliner right. And I think somewhere now I'm associated with eyeliner, because in Om Shanti Om I had the Indian eyeliner, now I have the Chinese eyeliners.
आपने Kung-Fu training भी करी है, in martial arts, you've done some special martial arts, so am I not supposed to ask certain questions?
No, I trained in Jiu-Jitsu. Jiu-Jitsu is a form of martial art, and I was trained in that by my Indian trainers before my Chinese trainers came down to train me. We got the international action master called Didi, who's based in Hong Kong. He came down to train me for a couple of months, and Akshay and I actually trained on wires, because